Yo, Tony, when me do now a vague cafe avalanche. Egbe ni me dibe maga blo. Village Donald Trump, me dibe maglo. Comment you cho miabo Africa president me dibe ma promotion vide. Aha, no banto. Alo nyak banto you blo. Yinye me bobe. Enye nya ojebe mi ape politician we. No call water. Anye babia gbanto yo bia sebe amegbeto wonye ha elego mesinambe amegbeto le wa wenye miabo leader we ha babia efiabe sika ile miasi ega ile miasi nu nyame yo le miasi de ajebe miabo politician no zede mianu ne wa denami ne akofafa ne no anyina mi nu dudu ne no afe Donald Trump ebede Nesika la siwe bauxite la siwe diamond la siwe uranium la siwe ya onyebe edu metowe mututu me le osi o alo dole o wude enye amagbeto ha babia Donald Trump bia mi president wema babia Donald Trump bia Africa president wema ele Togo me ele Benin me efedu come glomele ma ko eva mi ape fia pe no pe bede Donald Trump le mabo fia we bia sebede enye fia sika le to mena wo le sika kule wani gbaji timba la si wo le timba kule wani gbaji uranium la si wo le kule ani gbali le Ghana le Togo vo du meto we de to le owu yile ba bia sebede amegbeto enye alo la enye me ko na ko pede nwunu vo le bia sebe amegbeto enye ha re ke mana nya bede the other option alo akpa veliade no menya megbeto ke ma no kanye babia Donald Trump ya mi ape ji duplo la we ma bia se e bia babia nyu alo e bia babia vodi e wo enye hin ato le menya be wa chi na be bia babia nyu vogato ya po idoku ibe a o e bia babia gbegbele miatowe cheta ojebe mi nu anyi ya wa nyeme Donald Trump e ya ba ponu ana we advice e wo eduplola alo e wo president leke na nu anyi ya wa nyebe president bubu e ya avanabe wo pesusu me abu magbo na welu enye Kristo to ya ta elefofo magbo elefofo na jumafo elefofo na ele doku wo be ya ide jipo ma jipo de fiole paradise de fiole magble nawe nyate fie de magble nawe la gbenkepe ya balaji abe diamond la siwe manganese la siwe uranium la siwe Ghana Iran top president Ghana do come hadebe uranium liye miasita o me pa je kukolo se senior minister apenu popoda ebe mi dasi asi awon ne wajo hadebe the China tawede they are the people who are going to mine the mineral source that we have. Can Ghana and African Union, can you wake up from your sleep? Mampia say, why can't you, the universities and the polytechnic and the Ghana educational something you have, haven't you educate people enough to mine all the gold and the mineral source we have, rather than China coming to mine them for us? So upon all the educational level we have, upon all the professors you have, you cannot mine even gold. You cannot even mine uranium. So China have to come and mine it for you, so that you will get some money from it. For that matter, you fail to justify the nation's constitution. You defy the nation constitution when the nation says that na amede wonu ya de jebe mi le cover itu o me le nyono va ito ebe no dasi le nyono ha de wa we bo sika kupe na wa we bo miabo resource natural resource refine na mita miabo politician we de chele o nya biase chele o bloggers gbogbo le Ghana but they don't make any comment relating to those things. Unnecessary things enya yo ma dega kotoku mo enya yo ma na akofafa we nyoni ava de pa gbete la le Kofi TV nyoni ava de fe no le Kofi TV e ya wa no gbogbo chatawa le pe hare e gare no ko le kotoku me na Ghana to go alo ewo ile chatawa le pe hakode e gare na le kotoku me vana we unnecessary news me tibe mi abo susu. Donald Trump today, he's a man I love so much because Efenu Popo is just the same as Mugabe. Dekwegale Donald Trump see who Mugabe. Mugabe will tell you the fact. Take your Britain, let me take my Zimbabwe. How many politicians can speak like that in Ghana? Because all of them are looking for a way to go and make money. I'm a photo you they are surviving on the sweat of our grandfathers. America cannot stand without Africa. Let me tell you, let them leave Africa alone. Let the Europe, let the white leave Africa alone. No, that's still Africa. Survive. Right now, miapa miyole kukule Ghana de machina we. Percentage nene mile hoho. Mais quand on a dit le Bible là va y. Obe pe atroz sikanami. Vomia pe sikanami le poa. Donald Trump bede. Ame botomi abo politician wonye ha. Nya biase, ba bia yo biase ma. Ame gbeto nya lo la onye. Alo ne me gagner la le paper onye alo pen onye. Because because we have selfish leaders. Selfish leaders there. Yahweh let me see. Why talk when you are now girlfriend way? Why they spend our resources by heart? Yamiga lo yo me. NDC MPP number 1. Why let me Oko politics cover that for it. Ya call religion call that you are not swear in the Bible pre Quran. Wekpa hadem na adututu religion where one way at one you at one nyachaka. Maga no blow. Nemiabo the traditional leaders way. Macho blow bere. Fifia okay and this is Noziji. Voni mi le didibe na wanye bere. Na swear le miabo tradition kode. Ekema na nyabe they are also corrupt. Our traditional leaders are also being corrupt by the money they give them, by the cars they bought for them, by the politicians. Why is the law court being bribed? Lawyers are being bribed. Judges are being bribed. Yet nobody is voicing out that now, since judges are being bribed, you cannot bribe our traditionalist. Nogopo will not take your money and dodge you. Nema wodole Ghana du komere, minane wa wodole pedome. Ne wonu buko ko ide Nogopo straight, mega waste time. Nogopo does not kill when you are not offended. Go and ask. You are afraid of Nogopo too much. Go and ask. Whether you are afraid of Nogopo or not, Aku, you will die. Ekwe kokokwa we, Nogopo da wo, echimeva ikude o, amova ikut, echincho Easter season eme, amome kuwa, amokude, tojipupu amu, yame vugba, amoku. Whether you go to Nogopo or you don't go to Nogopo, you will die. So go and find out the solution to your problem now. Yami le vovon, hadefia fitota, Nyamagle, fifi, on le mia fide. Yata confia mi be mi no akpamaji. Ele go me se namdi. Maga yo man no to gbi ko fi che pe nko yo gbe si agbe. Man no yo din, man no yo din. Donald Trump bede na leader we la siwe. Ya edole owu. Leader la siwe. Ya elafozo ho ehule ami la siwe o la mi ku le gold chocho gbedegbe kele Ghana yo be Gold Coast ya ta me go be the name Gold Coast is a disappointed name. The name Ghana is a disappointed name. Kankanyami le Kwame Nkrumah City is far better than the Jehovah book they gave you. Me biaselo factory you pete Kwame Nkrumah would they kill it with Jehovah. Jehovah came to kill it. Kankanyami will not kill our business. We were living, people were eating free food. People were eating free food under the God Kankanyami. People were eating free food. I'm only do for free. Then dollar ude operation feed yourself. It was working. Ele do war. Under Kankanyami. Yide abosome. Na can never ibu na we na akpara wa akwa cover na we yide no go po duo me obe no go po no yide duo me na pontifa fa ile fumada amome no dodokpa mo soro ma gble na we vo fifi la sol me ho mo le dodokpa me de soro bishop we po yo ple nyon we me le gbo na we. The book you are holding is a book of a slave man. Na te pia gbo me na we Oma se comme ne le lu pa de pour nous play Yehowa ne na bien sebede Yehowa mele ntufi ale gbogbobere we na yovo we va fimia togbe we Yehowa na yovo va fimia togbe we yata edole owu yata obe na hesuku fe pour nous play Yehowa beto we. Don't fear that God. Why do you have to fear that God who claims he loves you? Ebe you know yata if you don't va put the child tell for phone bien question. Let him answer you. Why do you fear your father? My brother, manga no bro magbela gbe ke pe your father jinye me nya te pe me cho. Na me kunye me nya te pe me yo. I don't give a damn to after death. What I care about is to live a good life. Ale go me sinam de. Aha. Na lecturer le do dokpe suku fi hade maki wa net amede asoro nu 24/7. Ya lecturer ya wa va ke gbe mere wa dokpli nyonu vie for wa ne makide. Then you should think that something is wrong with you as Africa. Emma me no me have tradition. Wa va le lecturer china we be I am tired of doing it in the office. Mi le go gbe ya lo mi le me gbe yi. Ya te pe ma gbre na we. Agbe ke pe ya fara ji ya wa sele. Mi ato we, nye me va mo ji ma va gba me de ke hu. Donald Trump bere nyambo duplola we de. Are they human beings? Donald Trump we, if they have answer, they should give answer. But for me, I gave Donald Trump answer. My answer is that we don't have head of state. We don't have head of state. What we have in Africa is tail of state. Tail of state. Yeah, let me see Africa. Many head of state too. Had there been selfish interest in Yakonya? Wow, they don't do no deep. One man over for me talk to girlfriend where Yakonya. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah men no agbema talk bio. Ele go me sinam de. Gaddafi de men no agbema talk bio. He try as much as possible. Ben amesia menefo. Mi avete mi l'Africa lo vo parler Morocco le faina. Parler Libya le faina. Vo yovo gava ple. Yata maintenant Donald Trump. We don't have head of state. We have tail of state. Donald Trump, we don't have head of state, eh? We have tail of state. Why will me see Africa? Dem edibe mi abu mi abu susu. Mi awula we wude. Why when you mi abu politician we? If you see them, my brother, they are the representative of the slave trade. They are the representative of what? The white man supremacy. They don't give a damn about you. And you know you come and say me vie to me to ene no sia. Mi abo gaya le dudu. Me chira we ne politician we me du mi abo ga o de mo du Ghana ga o de. E ke mana nya be de. You vo eba bribe we. Ya o po ga le sasa. How much is their salary? Ba, me ponu su gbanye ma ga yeji o. De me di be mi abu mi abo susu. Me bia keke pe jogbe mi na we. Mi ano.